Hi everyone, in today's video, we will explore 10 vegetarian foods rich in calcium and vitamin D. You'll learn exactly how much calcium and vitamin D each food contains. We'll also share simple ways to include these foods in your daily diet. Strong bones are key to a healthy life, and these foods can help prevent deficiencies naturally. Plus, we'll discuss easy habits to improve calcium absorption. Stay tuned to keep your bones strong and healthy. Curd is not just great for digestion but also for bone health. 100 grams of curd contains about 85 milligrams of calcium. It has probiotics that improve gut health, which helps in calcium absorption. You can have curd with meals, as buttermilk, or in smoothies. A tasty way to keep your bones strong. Regular consumption also prevents bone loss as you age. For the best benefits, opt for homemade curd without added sugar. Milk is a classic source of calcium. 100 grams of cow's milk gives you 125 milligrams of calcium. It also has vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium better. Drinking a glass of milk every day can prevent weak bones. You can have it plain, in tea, or with turmeric. If you're lactose intolerant, try lactose-free milk or plant-based alternatives fortified with calcium. Warm milk before bedtime also improves sleep quality. Paneer is not just delicious but also packed with calcium. 100 grams of paneer has around 200 milligrams of calcium. It helps in bone development and keeps muscles strong. You can eat paneer bhurji, stuffed paratha, or add it to your salads. A yummy way to build stronger bones. Paneer also provides good protein, making it a great post-workout food. Homemade paneer is always the healthiest option. Almonds are not just good for your brain but also for your bones. 100 grams of almonds give you 264 milligrams of calcium. They also have vitamin E and magnesium, which support bone health. Soaked almonds in the morning are the best way to start your day. A handful daily can improve bone strength. Almond butter is another tasty way to include almonds in your diet. Choose unsalted and raw almonds for the best nutrition. Ragi is one of the best natural sources of calcium. Just 100 grams of ragi has 344 milligrams of calcium, which is great for your bones. It also helps in keeping your joints strong and prevents osteoporosis. You can make ragi roti, porridge, or even dosa. A simple way to add more calcium to your meals. Ragi is also gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten sensitivity. Sprouted ragi has even higher nutrient content. Tofu, also known as soya paneer, is an amazing plant-based source of calcium. 100 grams of tofu has around 350 milligrams of calcium, which makes it great for strong bones. It is also rich in protein, helping in muscle strength and overall bone health. You can add tofu to curries, stir fries, or even make a tofu bhurji. A perfect dairy-free option for boosting calcium in your diet. Firm tofu has more calcium than soft tofu. Always choose non-GMO or organic tofu for better quality. Moringa leaves have 440 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, making them a superfood for your bones. They also have iron and vitamin C, which help in calcium absorption. You can add them to dals, soups, or make moringa parathas. A natural way to strengthen your bones every day. Moringa powder can be added to smoothies for an easy boost. Regular intake also helps improve joint flexibility. Tiny but powerful. Sesame seeds have a huge 975 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. They also have healthy fats that keep your joints flexible. You can sprinkle them on salads, rotis, or make til laddus. Just 1 spoon of sesame seeds daily can make a big difference. Tahini, a sesame paste, is another great way to include them in your diet. Toasted sesame seeds enhance flavor and nutrient absorption. Mushrooms are one of the very few vegetarian sources of vitamin D. 100 grams of mushrooms have around 9 millicentig of vitamin D. They help in improving bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Sun-drying mushrooms before eating increases their vitamin D levels. A simple addition to curries, stir-fries, or soups. They also support immunity and reduce inflammation. Shiitake and maitake mushrooms are especially rich in nutrients. The best way to get vitamin D is from sunlight. Just 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight helps your body make enough vitamin D. Without vitamin D, calcium cannot be absorbed properly. So, step outside, soak in the sun, and keep your bones healthy. Walking in sunlight also boosts mood and reduces stress. For better absorption, expose skin without sunscreen for a short time. Strong bones need both calcium and vitamin D, and vegetarian foods can provide them naturally. Curd, paneer, ragi, and almonds are great calcium sources, while mushrooms, moringa, and sunlight help with vitamin D. These nutrients improve bone density, prevent fractures, and keep joints healthy. Simple food swaps and daily sun exposure can make a big difference. Including these foods in your diet is an easy and natural way to strengthen your bones. Stay consistent, and your bones will thank you. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Keeping your bones healthy is simpler than you think. The right foods and daily habits can have a big impact. Add calcium-rich foods to your diet and soak up some sunlight for vitamin D. Small changes today will help maintain strong bones in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next one.